All right, I got my tires, $80. They're good tread too. They're a little old, like the sidewall. I didn't even read the year off them. It didn't really matter. Like, yeah, they got a little bit of damage, but that's not gonna stop them. If you could take a look at what I have rocking on the back side over here. You see. So yeah, I might put them on the Caprice and take what's on the Caprice and put them on here. But I have these on here. I had all 4 of these until the city of Oakland roads that I was driving on blew them out. Now I'm on a spare. I'm on 2 spares. So I want to keep riding these and getting my money out of them. But I do need a tire. Maybe I'll put one of these on a Caprice rim. Yeah, I think I got a Caprice rim that's off the Caprice. If I slap this on a Caprice rim, I don't know. Mike, I'm out here. All right, here it is. The Previa on a spare. And an old Toyota rim and a Ford rim. All right, this is the process. Mike, I'm out here. What's cracking with everyone? I'm gonna take this tire off right there. And then I already put the other one on. I'm gonna take this rim off, put the other rim on. Then I'm gonna take this tire in the back and take it off the rim. And then I'm gonna put a tire on the rim. I think if everything goes the way it should. We're getting it all on tape right here. The real life, real deal. How fast can we do this? It's a real life event here today. It's a real life, real speed. Yeah, these tires should go on the Caprice, but I drive the Previa and they're already old tires, so I'm just gonna use them. These ones I'm not balancing because they're going on the back and I don't have a balancer, but it'll be all right. More when I have fronts balanced, but that looks like it's going good. That looks pretty straight. Straight enough. Straight enough. Better than this one. The condition of this one is bad. This one's bad. Check it out. Yep, it's bad. But it's still holding there. We're gonna get rid of it. We already got rid of it and it came back. We are also gonna put a brick in the front. Important. You should also use a jack stand, but I'm gonna do this super quick. So I'm just gonna jack it up and I'm not gonna get under it. Never get underneath a car without a jack stand. I definitely wouldn't. I'm breaking these loose on the ground. That's how I like to do it. It's hitting the ground. That's good. Alright. Now let's get this jack in there. We're gonna go underneath the rear axle. Yep, get it on there. Now it's not gonna have to stay up for too long here. Now it's up, but there's a taller tire I'm putting on. So yeah, definitely, I mean, always use a jack stand. I should have one right now. But because you can have one that goes bad, you know. All right, shout out to the ladies. She wouldn't have spent her $4,000. Real time. Yeah, you could have a jack that leaks, like I had one the other day. So you definitely would want to have a jack stand, especially like if you don't have a tire. That's why I'm just gonna do this real fast. Alright, got those, got that. Yep, that's, don't worry about that. That goes right there. We'll get to that in a second. We want to immediately put this rim on. These go directional, these rims. But I don't really care. I don't know if it's going the correct way or I think it is actually. Because I remember this tire was super janky and it was the one on the front. So I'm gonna keep riding those front tires because they're good. I paid for them. I'm gonna get my money out of them. That one I just had on there was not making me feel too comfortable when it came to like taking trips or driving it anywhere. So I gotta go up north. Shout out Lake County. Real life. Yeah, I gotta go up north and do some more yard work. Yay. And house maintenance. Yay. But I gotta have a tire on my car. I had tires, but then the city of Oakland had other plans for my tires. Yeah, you could have the zip gun to do this. You know, we're just going old school here. We are just going old school. Star pattern. Well, sometimes star pattern. Or not star pattern, whatever. Alright, that's good. Now we're styling and profiling. That's clean. Now I got a white wall. Good. Just what the doctor ordered. But it's a different size than the other side. This is a 75. The other side's a 65 height. So now that's done. Don't hit the Caprice. All right, we're trying to do this real time here. We're trying to do real time tire changing. Straight off the car. All right, straight off the car tire changes. We'll see if we can do it. There's the old school bead breaker. Good. Yeah, this tire's done. We'll get the valve stem removal tool. Take this valve stem top off. And of course, drop it. Unscrew this here. Up there, I guess. That's gonna do that. That did that. Now don't hit the rim, but get close to it. No, gotta give it a lot of power. Got to give it that power. It got that side off. It didn't get this side off. That's okay. We're gonna put this down so we don't scratch the rim. We're trying here. It's just a Toyota, but still. It's a Previa. This tire has seen better times and days. I might have to bring this around. I think it got it. We'll just make sure, because the last one kept trying to pop back on. I think that's off. All right. We're gonna leave that down there. We're gonna get this out of here. We're done with that. Till the next tire. It's a good tool. You can buy those new style ones. All right, now I think I need to put the long pants on here. To avoid the knee injuries. Try not to step in the sticky, prickly things. Let's do this over here. Oh, we got one. All right. And okay, good. Don't go back in there. And we need some more of this. It's not the right one. It's in a different thing. Get it how you get it, you know what I'm saying? All right. This tape didn't last long, but we're gonna retape this on the same spot to avoid the scratching. Now we got this though, Gorilla Tape, a little bit stronger, maybe, definitely. We'll see how it does. It'll probably get torn up, but that's okay. I was thinking even maybe damn near put it on the tip too. I swear there's like, when I remove it, we'll get there. We'll just do this one first. And this one too. I am to remove all of that. Real time. Yeah, my brother just went to the store. I wonder if I can have this tire changed by the time he gets back. Probably not. I'm still learning and it's getting better every time, but there's always pretty much some type of something that happens. All right. I'm not sure if I should put, you probably should put soap on like every time you do anything, even on an old tire maybe. I'm not really sure. I mean, definitely on a new one, but I'm not sure about the old one. It does, I could definitely tell you, I tried to do it without like lubing it up before. It was not right, it was not, and then I just did it, the last tire I just did, I used the soap and it came off like butter. So all right, I put this so I don't scratch my rim, so hopefully I don't scratch my rim. I believe you got to just take it off from this side. I would do the back side, but I feel like tires are sized slightly different or something. But anyway, they're easier to get off going this way. Definitely want to get down into the grooves. Definitely got to do that right there like that. Then you just come around here and bite. Oh, make sure you're in there, and then bite off another chunk. Then you could probably slide that out if you can. Put it back in this side. Just a little bite at a time. That's about it. That got us there. Oh, yeah, and probably should put more. Probably should tape up the whole tool. That's how it's going. They need a repaint anyway. All right, that's pretty good. We're making good time. We're learning still. So same with the, I'm gonna just put like some on this rim. Hopefully people can see what I'm doing. I don't really know. This one you can kind of sit down in there as like up, bring it up as far as you can on that lip. And then there's space right there. It's just about, do we scratch the rim or what? I don't know. I feel like we always do. See, got that out. See, that's an advantage right there. You could damn near kick it out. I mean, you can't really, but I could get in there with the pry bar one more time. I'm sure I will. And this is a spoon. Okay. So just be careful. You see, hit my shin again. All right, that's not bad though. We're getting better every time. They need a repaint. They're not perfect. I don't want to scratch them, so I'm just making excuses. All right, You should probably clean these better than I'm cleaning them right now, but we're doing that real life, what people would really do type deal. These got weights on them. That was a long time ago. The weight is over. I'm gonna keep these because I might have to readjust. Right now I'm gonna just put these on the back. There's a correct tool for doing this. This is it. It's called a screwdriver. Nah, I'm gonna get all the correct tools the more I get into changing tires. So this is probably like, this might be like the fifth or sixth tire. Be careful. I should have a hammer. I don't, but I have this. Okay. I did that so I wouldn't scratch it. Probably scratched it. All right, we're just gonna do this way everyone would do it. Let's just like put it right on. Put it right on. Right on. You can watch that other channel for realistic stuff. We got those ones and we got these ones. They're pretty much the same. This one's already got pieces of blue tarp in it. That's good. Good, thank you. Maybe some will get lucky and left in there. I'm just like picking whatever tires I see. We're just gonna go with these ones. This one. All right. We're gonna just, this works great. A brush. Oh yeah. You probably should brush off the tires as well too. You probably want to even clean them. Well, anyway, I guess soap as a lube will work. I said it in my last video, but I never know which one's gonna get uploaded. But definitely, it smells like some cough syrup, some of that old school good syrup, you know? It does, it smells like it. Why does the soap smell like that? What a waste. All right. This one you should be able to just kick on. And lube it up just like that. You don't want to come short. Don't even water down the soap. I did the watering down the soap before, being like a cheap, just use like 2 cents worth of dish soap. This should just slip on, you know what I'm saying? It's already doing it back there. It's all thanks to the soap. I've done this without it before. It doesn't work that well. This just goes right on. It should. There you go. See? That's like the easiest part right there. You should change the valve stem. I didn't because they look good, and I'm gonna just go for round 2 with it. They were all matching tires when so someone took care of it on the last tire change. They got the full treatment. All right, this is the part, well, all the parts are tricky, but what you want to do here is definitely you got to sit on the sidewalls to get it down. You want to get it down into the, yeah, I don't even know the terminology all the time. You want to get it down into the groove. Seat. Can't think of it. Okay, good. You gotta get on it. That's the only way. You can get it pretty far too by just doing that. And then I was pulling, see, I pulled the rim back some. You get pretty far. I think I've even seen some people just kick it on before. That would be nice to start. Ooh. We're getting there. Okay, anyway, there's some sidewall cracking going on here, so that's good. That's why they were $80. I knew there was. Oh, one bite. One more bite. Get on, gotta get on it. It might need 2 bites. Gotta stay on it. Gotta stay on it. I can use this one. Knee pads maybe. Nope. Use it, the big spoon for the big bite. You get a bigger spoon too. Gotta make sure that you're on it. Pull that rim back. Gotta get on it. Gotta get on it. See, we're almost there. You could probably, if I could get under there. So close. You gotta get your knees. That's the part. I just don't got enough weight. There's probably some trick to this. My knees are killing me. Sacrifice. Little bites. Little bites get you there. Little bites will get you there. That'll tear the old legs up some. Next time I think I'll add knee pads to the mix. This is how we learn. The old legs are gonna have some bruisings. We're gonna try this again. We'll see if we're able to seat the tire. Yeah, let's see if we'll be able to get this tool on. Seat the tire. Yeah. Come on, keep going. Yeah. Compliance, that's what I'm talking about. We did it. All right, if you had like a new tire or were doing this professionally or something, there would be like a red mark somewhere that's way worn away by now on this set. You want to match that up with the valve stem because that's supposed to be where the weight is at properly or something. I kind of looked for the mark, but then I didn't because it's old tires worn away. We're just gonna get the life that's left out of it. You know, for $80 for the 4, we're immediately gonna put 2 into use. We'll see about the other 2. We got some extras for the box chev or something. Just something that's not gonna blow off right away. Well, it might, who knows. A tarp going into my face. Oh, good. It got closer. Can you see it? As with everything, you gotta use this thing to read it. That's extremely low still. The tarp is in my face, pretty annoying. This is real time, real speed right here. Up in the game. Not just changing the tire, not just changing the rim, but changing the tire. That's a new one. I mean, I've done it a couple times, but you know, right there in the driveway real quick. Trying to just do it before my brother gets back from the store. He just left to go to Safeway. So yeah, I'm actually gonna have my tires on before he gets back. That's pretty good. I'm like a real life tire machine here. I think I need more air. No, we're getting there. I really don't want to air it up. We just need like 10 more PSI. Well, my knees can't take anymore. We got some sidewall cracks going. That's good. Not as many as the last ones though, so that's good as well. That's what happens when you buy used tires. You might not see the sidewall cracks until it's too late. $80 though, that's the game we're playing. Because why not? I mean, I could buy some new tires, but then I would immediately run over like a nail and destroy it. I'd rather just blow one of these out. I've had some old worn out tires make it a large amount of miles. I mean, it's basically just other people that doubted them. I don't really. They pretty much never, an old worn out tire pretty much hasn't let me down too much. It probably has. They're pretty good though. All right, we are doing some real-time work here. That went, oh, I forgot something. We need this. What? No. That. Get off me. All right, Mike, I'm out here. Oh, what happened? Is it still filming? I think that, oh, it had a wrench on it. I think we're good. I would do a whole bunch of work and film it, and then it would not film it. That's how it does every time to me. All right, we have one more thing to do. Maybe more, I don't know. We're gonna put this tire on. It has sidewall cracks. Welcome to the family. That's, I don't know. I don't think the one that I'm taking off has sidewall cracks, but it's the spare, and now it's different sizes. We're trying to do some type of matching here. At least I know how to change a tire if I get a flat. All right. All right, this is like standard that I'm using, and this Toyota is probably metric. Because it's like one of those wiggles. We're gonna get it though. Again, I'm just going real quick. Tire off, tire on. Not going underneath it, not putting a jack. I already have a brick in the front. If you go underneath it, or if you do this anyway, you should put a jack. Even I should put a jack. But there also comes down to time. And sometimes you want to save time, and you can do so correctly and safe still. Well, I don't think anyone would probably agree with that, but you know, they would though. They would agree with it, but you know, Not on record though. All right, more of that. We're definitely putting that back in the car. Throw this thing on there. Original tires back. It wasn't even like a few months. It was a few months.
You were playing the mind game?
It was a few months. Some mind games, hey. And my brother says we need a tire machine, or that you can't change tires without one. Nah, I can still get a good workout here. I'll maybe do one at a time. I didn't balance it. They're on the back, so I mean, I would like to balance it, but I didn't. But it's better than what I had. I'm gonna buy a balancer, but that's the next thing. One thing at a time. All right, now I just need the caps. Well, I don't need them, but you know, with the other tires, with the other tire, I only had one, so I didn't have the caps. I'll probably still leave them off, just because I don't know when I'm gonna have to change it. We're riding these old, this is an old tire life riding. Nice. It looks like a surf van now. Yeah, I knew it wanted its original rims back. It won. We're gonna use those ones in the front though, because they're balanced. They're like run flats and they're Z rated. They got good grip on them. We're riding those. Like, don't hate on my. Oh, it's already got a bump. All right. That was a lot. This is it. It was only 40 minutes. I did that in 40 minutes. Dang, I'm like a tire machine. Oh, there's a brick. And don't forget the brick. Yeah, I'm like a monster truck now. That's what's up. It looks pretty good, I think. Let me get a nice shot here of it. I know anyone watching me is like, what is this full tape in? It almost looks like it matches a little bit now. It really wasn't before. $80 for the tires. They're not the best, but they're all right. We're gonna get some mileage out of them. I mean, all I want, like, I spent $200 on those. They were all matching and everything was all good until I blew two of them out. I just want some grip. I don't even care. I just want a decent looking tire with some grip that doesn't look like it's gonna blow up like immediately. That's all I care about right now. I don't care if it's matching or none of that. I'm kind of parked out on the curb. All right, anyway, that's it. Mike, I'm out here. We did it. Yes. Be back on the next one. Balling.